Hey guys, welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon again. Today I'm going to show you how to seat a brand new riding lawnmower tire onto the rim before we start filling it with air. Introductory beverage of the day today is Busch beer. Haven't had that for a long time. So I just did a video on putting a new tire tube in one of these things. If you want to see that video, watch that video. Boom, there it is, right up in your top screen, top right hand of your screen right there. I button. That I show you a couple tips and tricks on that, how to get the rubber off of one of these to put a tube in it. Watch that one because that applies also to this video. The reason that I'm doing this video is because I got a comment on that tire tube video from one of my subscribers named George Simpson. George, thank you so much for the comment. Thank you for the video idea. He said, what did he say? What is the trick to seating the bead if you're just putting a brand new tire on it? You're not putting a tire tube on it. While we're on that note, if you guys want a new tire for your riding lawnmower, I have a link back in my description. It'll take you to a site so you can buy a brand new tire if you want. Check that link out. They're not that expensive to do this. So what George meant by that comment was that if you're not putting a tire tube in, you're just putting a new tire on. For whatever reason, the tread is worn out, the sidewalls are cracked right in half. You have to put a new tire on it. Just pretend this is a brand new tire, and then when you go to hit it with air, nothing's happening. It's not filling with air because the rubber is not touching the rim on both sides. The air is just escaping out both sides. We need to figure out a way to have that rubber in contact with the beads of the rim itself before we start filling it with air. This is a little trick that I've been using for years that I'm going to share with you guys. It's actually really easy to do. You can use any kind of rope. Any kind of rope you want. The old starter rope, poly rope, that yellow stuff, whatever you want. You can use tie down straps that you use for tying stuff down in your truck. Those tie straps that you use that ratchet, where click, click, click and it tightens up, those work great too. I'm going to use just a simple piece of old starter rope because I think most of you guys out there who are watching this video have some kind of an old piece of rope out there. Put the rope around the tread like that. Right around the outside of the tread and tie it up. You can literally it doesn't even need to be that tight at this point. You can just literally use a granny knot in there. Just tie that up like that so it's right around the tread. Make sure it's around all the way around the exact center of that tread. That is actually pretty important that you do that. Right around the outside like that. Next thing you need to do, simply a screwdriver, a big screwdriver, a crowbar, whatever you want to use. Stick that through the rope like that and just start twisting it. And as you keep twisting it tighter and tighter and tighter, it squeezes down that tread. You see that? It's squeezing down that tread. And what's that doing is it's pushing the rubber out now against the rim. Tighten that up and keep going until you look at both sides of your tire and you think, okay, that rubber on that side is touching the rim. Look at the other side. That rubber is touching the rim now. Hold that down and now hit it with air again. Watch this. Boom. That just pops both beads back into place on that rim now. And unwind that thing, get that rope off of there, and look at that. That worked absolutely perfectly. Fill it up, check your tire pressure, whatever you want your tire pressure at. That's how I've been doing this for years. I hope I helped you guys out again. I love it. Thanks again, George. And like, subscribe, share. I love you guys. Steve out.